underneath the mess, and the dead man came out, his hands and feet bound in graveclothes, his face wrapped in a headcloth. Jesus told them, "Unwrap him and let him go." John 11:44. In John 11, 4 days after Lazarus had died, Jesus shouted, "Lazarus, come out of the tomb." And Lazarus came forth alive, a great miracle. Then Jesus told the people standing there to unwrap him and set him free. They had to be incredibly dedicated to be willing to endure all it took to remove the strips of linen cloth wound around his limbs. The smell would have been almost unbearable. With every layer they unwrapped dirtier and smellier. Only Jesus can forgive and give someone new life, but God has called us to help remove the messy graveclothes that cling to them. They still have issues, addictions, bitterness, jealousy, and they compromise. They have a long way to go. But underneath the mess, there's a free person, a clean person, a forgiven person, an exceptional person. They just need someone who won't be put off by the outside. When you speak words of life to them, chains break. When you show love, strongholds come down. When you're merciful, compassionate, and kind, you pour oil on their wounds. Be a healer, a lifter, a restorer.